Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the travel guy. So today what we are doing is to do the same sort of search on Amadeus using the Cryptic command. This will be very easy for the people who has used and has spent some sort of travel in industry. So let's give it a go for the newbies who just want to learn this stuff. So this is really easy when it comes to later down the time when you're using the Cryptic command. So in Amadeus, to search the flights using the Cryptic, you use the command AN to start with. And as per the example of what we were doing yesterday, we will use the same example, so at least you know the results will be pretty similar. And you can do like this. So first we'll be putting is the city pair, which is Sydney to London. Based on the yesterday's example, we were talking the London Heathrow, so we'll use the same thing, and that is on the flight going with the British Airways. So your command will be AN Sydney to London, going on, we were doing the 20th of April next year, and airline British Airways. And because we are specifically looking at this moment on the British Airways, hey, sorry, and 20th of April, Sydney, London on British Airways. This is the command. Okay, so now just to give you some more information of how does this really work. So the command AN is always when you're looking to do the availability search in Amadeus, you'll be doing the command AN. Then you put your preferred date if you have any, and then you put the city pair, which is, for this example we are talking Sydney to London. And if you know the airline, you always put the airline as an A and the code for the airline, which is BA, British Airways. Some more parameters are there, so once later down the time, if you know what sort of booking class you want, then you can always just put a filter using either, let's say we can just put only show me the premium economy, which becomes KW. So then British Airways will show only the premium economy class available, or you can do the same thing using business class, which becomes KC. But for now we will just remove this one, and let's see. And we know from the yesterday's example, we were looking at the flight on this British Airways flights, which is Sydney to Singapore, Singapore to London, Heathrow. It was showing availability on the Victor class, V for Victor here. And let's just take, so to grab a seat, so if you're looking to grab a seat for one person, then you'll be doing select sail, or in other words, you can do sail seats for one passenger in Victor class, and then it'll be row number 3. Because this is where we are looking at this flights, so then we will do that, and this will pop up in here. And then traditionally what we normally do is to put the name. So for the name, the command becomes NM for one passenger, then you put the surname, then you put the first name, title, Mr., Miss, Mrs., then you put the contact number and whatnot. So this is really easy how you can just basically do Cryptic way to make a booking for one of the flights in Amadeus.